Zen class 8, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 8 students, listen carefully. This is computer subject and me Tarkeshwar sir. Okay. Now, today I am just going to deliver some words on the chapter 7, some more tools in Photoshop. Okay. So on that, you know very well. I think that is chapter 7 or chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6, sorry for that. Chapter 6, some more tools in Photoshop. So, some more, it means that is another tools, those are not given in the chapter 5. Okay, now listen carefully. In this, we have to just understanding about layers. Okay, so I think the last term on the page 73 is finished. Now today we just going to understand how to merging the layers on the page number 74. Okay, chapter 6 का page number 74 खोलेंगे. ठीक है. The heading is what? Merging layers. Merging layers. Merging layers. Merging it means what? Merging it is exact name by you just combine your layers. Okay. To combine your layers, you first have to sort the layers. For example, considering the figure 5 given alongside, if the layer 1 and layer 5 are to be merged, then layer first need to be positioned above the layer 5. Okay, or 5 must be above the layer 1. Okay, या तो लेयर फर्स्ट के ऊपर लेयर 5 हो या लेयर 5 के ऊपर लेयर फर्स्ट हो. नाउ यूज ऑफ द टू लेयर्स, क्लिक ऑन द टॉप लेयर, select the layer tab, go in layer tabs and click on the merge down. Okay, where you just click merge down. Okay, when you just click on the merge down, the top layers will be merged into bottom. ऊपर वाली लेयर नीचे वाली लेयर से merge हो जाएगी. To merge all the visible layers, click on the merge visibles option in the layer tab. Okay, it means by that you have to merge the all layers. देखो ये जो लेयर पैलेट है, ये जहां लेयर्स दिख रहा है, यहाँ फर्स्ट होता है ये लेयर, मान लीजिए 1 है और यहाँ लेयर 5 है सपोज, और नीचे और भी लेयर्स है. बट अगर आपको इन दोनों को मर्ज करना है तो आप इसे सेलेक्ट कीजिए और लेयर टैब में जाइए और लेयर टैब में मर्ज डाउन ऑप्शन पे क्लिक कर दीजिए. मर्ज डाउन, जैसे ही मर्ज डाउन पे क्लिक करेंगे नीचे वाली लेयर के साथ ये दोनों लेयर एक साथ जुड़ जाएंगे. ठीक है. So it is a combining the layers into one. Second है flatten layers. अगला जो है flatten layers. Okay. Flatten layers reduce the size of the file by combining the all visible layers into the background. If any areas are left transparent, it is filled with the white color. To flatten the layers, click on the layer flatten image. Okay. Now, converting an image between the some color mode flatters the file. Save a copy of your file with the all layers intact if you want to edit the original image after the conversion. Next is layer effect. There are many effects in Photoshop which you can apply to the layers to change the appearance of the content in a layer, like shadows and glow. The step is given on. Okay, you have to just follow the just to do the layer style. Okay. Background layer. When you add a new image in a Photoshop, a background layer is added automatically. Okay. it is the behind all the layers and it is not possible to change its positions. You can move its contents or delete it. Okay. Now type tool. Okay, the type tool is used to type a text in Photoshop. The text is added to a different layer which is known as a type layer. Okay, the steps to use the type tool is as follows. Okay, click on the tool panels and click on the type tool and just type your name of that pictures. Okay, next is a moving text. If you want to just move from one place to another place to the text, then you just do that things by the move tool. You have to use the move tool and select the text layer and move one place to another place. Next is a wrapping text. Okay, wrapping text, how is it possible? If you want to just text wrap into another forms, then you just choose the wrap text option. Okay, wrap text option is given in the toolbox option box in a tools. Okay, type tools पैनल में ये आपको मिलेगा. Then after the next thing is filters. Okay, now listen carefully. Filter are used to apply special effect on image. Okay, apply special effect to an image in Photoshop. They can also be used to create some unique transformation. They can be also be used to create some unique transformation using distortion, the lighting effect. Filter are applied to the active layers, visible layer or a selection of enemies. कैसे apply करेंगे? Then just listen carefully. Apply a filter. Okay, the steps of applying filter as follows. First, select a layer. Okay, if you want to apply a filter to entire layer. Okay, to apply a filter to a part of an image, select that area using any of the selections tool. हमें बस वो एरिया सेलेक्ट करना है उस इमेज में जिस पर हमें फिल्टर ऑपरेट करना है. Then after click on the filter menu and select a filter option. Okay, in the dialog box that appears, select the values in some of the filters. No dialog box will appear. Okay, the filter is applied directly. Okay, click on the OK to see the result. Okay, and here is the some questions. Write the function of the following tool. So you just write what are the functions of dots tool. Dots tool is used to just lighten an image. Burn tool is just darken an image. Smudge tool is clear the what is right. Type tool is used to just type a text on the image, and eraser tool is just to use the erase a part of an image. Okay, next keywords. Keyword is a saturation to change the intensity of a color of a picture, and wrapping to make it become twisted. Okay, now let us revisit the topic. The first, spot healing brush tool help to you just remove scare, spot and blemishes from a picture. Second is the clone stamp tool allow you create a duplicate of selected area of an image. And last one, third one is eraser tool is used to erase a part of background of an image. And the blur tool is used to soften the areas of an image. The smudge tool is used to create an effect to when paint is sprayed with a finger. Then the dots tool is used to lighten an image. The burn tool is used to darken an image. The layer used to work on one element without disturbing the others. And you can delete, hide, create, show, select, change order of merge layers. The type tool is used to add text in Photoshop, and when you use a type tool, a new layer is called type layer is created automatically. And the last is filter is used to apply the special effect to an image. So it is the latest revise. Now you just only let us the revise section if you read, then you can understand about the whole things in this chapter. Which types of more commands uses and more tools you are understanding in this chapter. Okay. Till then, thank you. And the next day, I show you your question, answer, fill in the blanks, true and falses, and answers. Thank you.